The Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD projector brings together performance, precision, and convenience in one sleek design. It's the kind of projector that fits almost anywhere, in classrooms, meeting rooms, or home entertainment setups, and still delivers stunning image quality no matter where it's placed. The first thing that stands out is how versatile it is. You can mount it on the ceiling for a permanent setup or use it on a tabletop when you need a more flexible arrangement. From the moment it powers on, the clarity of the visuals grabs your attention. Epson's 3LCD technology ensures every frame is bright, vivid, and color accurate. There's no rainbow effect, no washed-out tones, just consistent quality from edge to edge. The color reproduction feels natural, making images look lifelike whether you're streaming content, sharing slides, or watching movies. The brightness level is impressive for its category. It maintains sharp visuals even in moderately lit rooms, which is perfect for offices or classrooms where controlling the light isn't always easy. Text looks clean, images are well detailed, and colors pop even on larger projection screens. The native XGA resolution ensures that presentations, documents, and videos look sharp without pixel distortion. Connectivity is another area where Epson gets it right. With multiple input options including HDMI, VGA, and USB ports, it's ready to connect to almost any device you throw at it: laptops, media players, gaming consoles, or streaming sticks. Switching between sources is seamless, and the interface is intuitive enough that even first-time users won't struggle. Sound quality is handled by a built-in speaker that performs surprisingly well for its compact size. It's crisp enough for meetings or small gatherings, but for home entertainment setups, pairing it with an external sound system will take the experience to another level. When it comes to long-term use, Epson's lamp technology truly shines. The projector is designed for efficiency, with a long lamp life that reduces maintenance costs over time. This reliability makes it a smart option for those who need consistent performance day after day. Design-wise, it keeps things simple and professional. The smooth matte finish blends into any space, while the lightweight build makes it easy to move when needed. The control layout is intuitive, allowing for quick adjustments to focus, zoom, and keystone correction. Every detail seems built around user convenience. Overall, the Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD projector is a blend of functionality, clarity, and dependability. It delivers on brightness, connection versatility, and ease of setup, all while maintaining Epson's reputation for color accuracy and reliability. Whether you're using it for business presentations, educational sessions, or personal entertainment, it provides a premium experience without unnecessary complexity. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Epson PowerLite L265F 3LCD projector, tabletop or ceiling mountable, then please visit the link provided in the description.